Hello and welcome to this tutorial on synonyms. Synonyms are words with similar meanings. Looking at the original Greek word where syn means similar and nym means name. What could be a synonym of dry? One example is barren, but other examples could be sun-baked or crispy. Have a go at the synonyms activity. Pause the video and match the words below with their synonyms. When you are ready, press play and we'll go through the words together. Okay, let's see. The synonym of frantic is berserk. The synonym of energy is vigor. And finally, the synonym of calm is tranquil. Well done if you got the correct answers. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.